now. Clean up all the mess, Junior.
What? Oh.
Yep. Clean up everything. There we go. Come on, we are looking for some different kind of, what is it?
Shrimp chips?
Shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp. Shrimp chips. No? Okay.
I don't know. Like candy or chips there from, is this like what? Chinese? No.
These are like chips and crackers.
But it's what?
Really like crackers.
You want to try this?
I know, pero de
Ew.
Japanese, Chinese.
Chinese.
Look at this.
Because this is the Chinese mom.
But, so this is Chinese things. Okay.
We believe.
Well, we believe. I don't know. Hurry up, Junior. Just grab some things.
Pretty good. Those are like what? Nutmeg?
Now we are looking for some candy. What? Which ones?
Oh, no.
Oh, look, these are 89 cents.
I don't know whichever flavor. Look, those. Oh, let's get some of
We
these.
have got these before.
Yeah, la
And they're
de...
actually pretty good.
Okay, now we are looking for some cookies.
Cookies. Oh, these cookies, they make me hungry.
Yeah, green tea.
Kawaii.
Now my
Yeah.
kids are crying because they want all these.
I'll try this one.
I'll try these donuts.
Never mind.
I want ice
It's
cream.
egg, tuna, and salmon roll. Ew, no.
Yeah,
Hello. Today's video is about, we're gonna taste random snack from where?
From China.
From
Or-
China.
Yeah.
No,
China.
yes, China. We went to the Chinese mall. Is it the same thing, China and Chinese?
I guess.
I don't know, but we're gonna taste them. We have some bags, or in case we don't like them, we just. I have my sunglasses because the light's too bright and I
Okay.
could get a migraine. So let's start.
First thing is called... Oh, this is a Taiwan candy. I don't know what it is.
Oh, Taiwan.
This is
Oh,
peaches? Or
Peaches.
What is it?
I don't know.
I love
Apple?
peaches. Apple.
That's
Oh, I don't know.
That's
Show the
mango.
It's a
picture.
mango. That's mango.
Okay, Dante, grab one.
They look
I
like
get
rocks.
one.
They look
They
good.
look like
They
rocks.
are hard. Okay, I don't know this now.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay,
It's
one.
like... Oh, it has...
Two.
like- Oh, shake it.
Oh, it has something inside.
That's what it looks like. They look like... I don't know.
Okay.
No.
One.
It's not a candy.
What is it?
Not candy.
So what is it?
I don't know. It just says it's not a candy.
Is it food?
It says it's from the food enterprise, but it says not a candy, not for kids.
Not for kids. No, dum. The hell?
I don't know what it is. It's not candy. And
Yeah,
it's not for
risk it.
Let me
kids.
see. No, Junior.
Oh. Put it back.
Okay.
It's
I'm-
good.
Don't.
Oh, I
It
think
says
the
not for
liquid. I think
kids.
the powder.
We'll be back. Okay, well, we're gonna skip this one. We cannot search it because everything is in Taiwan. So it says it's not candy and it's not for kids. Maybe it's alcohol. Yummy alcohol. So we're gonna skip this one.
Maybe it's drugs.
So, the next one is
Here,
kind
put it away.
of looks like that.
Okay.
It's I don't know.
Is it the same thing, Mom?
I don't know.
Um,
It doesn't say.
Chinese chow
This is
slice.
Chinese cha slice.
So it doesn't say
Something of
nothing.
fruit.
Okay, so food. Taiwan as well.
It's dried fruit, sugar, salt.
Is it for kids?
Let me see.
Is it good?
Okay, let's taste it. Grab one, Dante. Junior.
They look like pepperoni.
Ew, it smells nasty.
Okay.
Now these stink.
1, 2,
Do you bite it?
3, of course.
Okay.
Dang.
Come on, Dante.
Sorry, but I can't.
Mm-mm.
How does it taste like?
You have to taste it.
They're pretty good. Oh.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
They're good, but they taste like seasoning. They taste like seasoning to me.
I didn't like it. Okay.
They taste like
Here
seasoning.
you go, Layla.
No. I didn't taste a little bit.
Well, next time you have to bite.
Oh yeah, I don't like it.
Okay,
Oh,
next.
no, never mind. I'm not gonna eat it later.
Next is Butterfingers limited edition.
No, you
Smoking
do it
hot.
up later. Don't put it back. You bit it.
Okay.
Oh, it was melted because it was in the trunk of the car.
I wonder if it's
Supposedly
actually spicy.
pica.
I don't know.
So
Let me see.
Is it toasty?
Okay, I'm gonna bite it and then Dante will bite it like that
Smells good.
because it's all stuck
it
there.
looks like it.
Okay.
No, it actually smells good.
Isn't it kind of like the same thing, just jalapeno?
It doesn't taste like nothing.
I don't know, but it's good.
It kind of tastes
It's not
bad.
spicy.
That's good.
It's just. Oh yeah, it is spicy. It is spicy.
No. How's it spicy?
Why did I got like a I don't know, it's spicy.
Pica
It's kind
mucho?
of spicy.
It is spicy.
It's not
Spicy.
I don't know.
It's not that
The
spicy.
next one we'll get looks like chips.
Ooh, I
It's
love
called-
chips.
Tao Kai Noi. Crispy seaweed.
It's seaweed.
Supposedly it looks hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. Okay.
Boy, just. My goodness.
Smells good.
This one's good.
I don't like the smell.
I like the smell.
Oh my god. Okay. Dante, grab one.
Oh my god.
Grab one.
Oh my god.
Grab one, Junior.
I don't want to eat this one.
You have to taste it.
Oh, it smells like green tea.
Because you have to.
It smells like green tea. It smells good.
At the same time, you have to bite it, like me and Junior have been doing.
It looks
Okay.
like, it looks like sandpaper, but smells like green tea.
Here he goes. But a big bite.
All right,
1, 2, 3.
Snap.
Okay.
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
We're supposed to eat it like that.
Throw it away.
I don't know what it is.
Ugh.
Yeah, it tasted like this. Just like
Hey, how come you got water?
I don't know.
That's what it is.
Okay, next one is
Ding dong.
Ding Dong.
Ding dong.
I think that's gonna taste good.
I don't like the other one.
Mm. Taste.
They are so good here. Oh.
At first, I was gonna. At first, it tasted.
Okay.
At first, it tasted
Dante?
good, but
There's random stuff in it. There's a bunch of
Yeah.
different stuff.
the little. I want to taste it already.
But they're so little. No! Grab like this. Here you go. And you put them
Oh.
all inside your mouth.
It has green peas.
Here you go.
It has green peas.
I don't want green peas. I don't like green.
Looks like dog food.
Here, Layla. 1, 2, 3.
It's good.
That's good.
It's good.
Good.
That one's
It's
good.
warm.
That one's
kinda
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next is, I don't know what's this.
It's either in the top.
Tamarindo
What is it?
candy.
Amaria sa tamarind candy.
Let's see.
Tastes good.
Oh,
Here, Dante.
I love it. Oh, it's a wrapper.
Here you go.
Open it.
Here you go.
Look weird.
Okay.
okay.
Ready, Dante?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, look this.
1,
2,
2, 3.
3.
Good.
It's good. You like it?
I like it.
I like it. It's good.
I can't bite it.
Well, hello, it's candy. Hard.
It's good.
It's good. I like it.
I like it.
We like it. Next.
Oh.
What's next? Oh, it's a drink.
It's Ramoon melon flavor.
I take this off, right? No fuzz. Wow. Okay. Here we go.
I can't wait. It's my favorite. I'm singing.
And then?
And then what?
Drink it.
Okay.
What's that?
Let's get this one's different. That's scary.
You broke it.
Okay.
Okay, I guess you
Oh, look. Put it right there. Push it.
It's a marble.
Me first.
That's it. Go.
Why does it come out?
No, it doesn't.
It tastes good.
It's good?
Yeah, it tastes like Sprite.
It's good.
What does it taste like?
Like,
It's like Sprite.
it's Sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like Sprite. But it tastes like more flavor. A little bit more flavor in Sprite.
It's good.
Good, good.
Next.
It's the same thing, Ramoon, but orange.
Ooh.
I
Oreo.
can't wait. I haven't thrown nothing, guys. Nothing. What happened if you broke it, Mom?
Whoa. That's
All
awesome.
smoke comes out.
That's awesome.
Wait for a second.
Dante?
It tastes like orange.
Well, because it's
Wow.
It's like
It's good.
that.
It's really good.
It's like orange, right?
Oh, that's good.
It's good.
This one
Okay.
tastes like orange Fanta.
So, what's